So we are discussing series resonance. So in that series resonance, we completed introduction to series resonance, properties of series resonance, bandwidth BW or 3 dB pass band, and cutoff frequencies or half hour frequencies, and expression for cutoff frequency magnitudes and bandwidth. Now we are in fifth topic. So expression for resonant frequency omega r as geometric mean of half power frequencies. So this is the circuit for resonance, series resonance. R, L and C are connected in series, and reactance offered by the L is XL and the reactance offered by the C is XC, and this combination is connected across a voltage source. Once it is connected to a voltage source, current is the resultant, same current is flowing in all the three elements. So circuit is said to be resonance at XL equal to XC, that is the reactance offered by the inductor is equals to reactance offered by the capacitor at that time. So net reactance offered by the circuit is 0. So that is the resonance condition. Now we have to get a relation between the resonance frequency and cutoff frequencies in terms of radians per second. Let omega is the resonance frequency, and omega 1 and omega 2 are the cutoff frequencies in radians per second. So here our purpose is expression. We have to find the expression for resonance frequency omega r as geometric mean of half power frequencies. So from previous video, from previous topic, so expression for the lower cutoff frequency omega 1 is this. So that is minus r by 2l plus root over r by 2l whole square plus omega r square radians per second. So take this as equation 1. And similarly, expression for the higher cutoff frequency omega 2 is equals to r by 2l plus root over r by 2l whole square plus omega r square radians per second. Take this as equation 2. So third step, multiply this equation 1 and equation 2. You get left hand side of the equation, you get omega 1 into omega 2. So which is equals to, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So a square r by 2l whole square plus omega r square, and minus b square is r by 2l whole square. So r by 2l whole square and minus r by 2l whole square gets cancelled, is equals to omega r square. So therefore omega r square is equals to omega 1 into omega 2. So resonance frequency whole square is equals to, so product of the resonance cutoff frequencies, so in terms of radians per second. So in terms of hertz, so Fr square is equals to F1 into F2. So this is called as expression for resonance frequency omega r as geometric mean of half power frequencies. Geometric mean of half power frequencies means root over omega 1 into omega 2 equal to resonance frequency omega r. Root over F1 into F2 is equals to Fr. Thus the resonance frequency omega r is the geometric mean of the half power r cutoff frequencies omega 1 and omega 2.